Hoy! Andyan ka pala! Andito na naman ako, and today, I have these packages. Yes, there's 2 packages in one. It was sent to me, care of Molly. So, it's for plants, and we're gonna set it up here. And this area where my dresser used to be. Because, you know, priorities, plants before clothes. Yeah. And, tada! Let's do it together. With setting up the tent itself, I think it only took me about less than an hour to put it together. As you can see here, it can be done with one person, but if you find another person to help you, of course, that will be even better, because the more the merrier, and of course it'll be even way faster, but it can be done with one person. Okay, we're halfway there. I'm just trying to set up the light. And yes, this is from MARSHYDRO. Yeah, come along with me still. Let me show you what we have so far. It's like that on the inside. And I'm gonna put you guys down, okay? Okay, so we're halfway through, I think. The tent itself is easy to assemble. Now I'm gonna figure out how to hang this light, which will help or aid the growth of our plants. So let's go. Yeah. With the light, I actually forgot to use one of the contraptions that it came with, but I figured out at the end, so I'll just insert a picture here. So here's our grow tent. It does have a vent over there. I believe you can connect an exhaust here if you're like, you know, those people who really do growing vegetables and you know what, whatever you want to grow, like for business. So there's also this ventilation stuff that you can, I guess, like those cooling measures, ventilation and stuff. But at the same time, they also have this. Like, you see, you can peek through there, or you can leave it open, I guess, and let some airflow go. Yeah, because it's both, like just right across each other. And I think the main feature for MARSHYDRO is their innovative light. I'm gonna turn it on and you'll see how bright it is. Okay, for a moment. So yeah, see how bright it is. And then this silvery thing, what it does, it helps with to reflect the light, so your plants, even here on the door, like, you'll have a full-on light. And also what I like about this one, I'm gonna turn off the light because it's a little bit too bright for my eyes. So I'll be right back again. This is better for my eyes. Oops, sorry, it got dark. But yeah, is that this tray here is removable. So I guess if some leca falls there or some water stuff, you can easily just clean it off. We're gonna put some plants, okay? So come along with me. Thank you again, Molly, for sending me this MARSHYDRO. Oh, I want to show off this. Look at that cool stickers. But I won't be growing this. I only grow Hoyas, okay? So the main reason actually that I agreed with Molly to send me and then for me to try this grow tent are my eriostemas, or Hoya eriostemas, like the Hoyas that are thick and fuzzy, and apparently they do need, or they do require a lot of light and humidity for them to grow. So I did acquire a handful of eriostemas that I would like, or that I want to challenge myself to bloom. And namely, it's my, let me pull it out, I actually put it in the tent already, is this Hoya Loterbaki. So it is very fuzzy, just like like any other eriostemas. They have fuzzy, like fuzzy like teddy bear. I don't know if you can appreciate that. And this one, you already saw the tag. I got this from Logi. So this is the first one that I'm gonna put in here in the grow tent. So it will be one of the residents here. And also, I'm not actually sure if Hoya imperialis is an eriostema, but the, like, if you can tell, the stem is very thick and green. And at the same time, I read somewhere, I'm gonna try to insert the link of where I get these informations from, so you can also learn with me or correct me if I have understood it wrong. But anyways, like according to one of them, is that they don't develop roots like aerial roots just like any other Hoyas. Like if you notice that on your Hoyas, if you do have Hoyas, but if not, I'm gonna insert a picture here. They, yeah, like it's just all green stem. But then again, I see these little nubs here that looks like it can be rooted there. So I'm not sure. And yes, there's a yellow leaf there, so I'm gonna put this one here. And again, by the way, this is my Hoya imperialis Palawan. Yes, Hoyang Pilipina. Okay, you're gonna go. And then another eriostema that I got. This one's huge. I got this from Hoya How. It has grown a lot, so I just basically looped it multiple times, and then it tried to grow, and then it went through the loop, and then it has this. I don't know where it's gonna go, but we're just gonna keep on continuing doing the loop. There you go, Hoya optimistic. Will be here. More eriostemas. Hoya Ruthie has some little baby leaves growing on there. Some fell off, but yes, it's gonna join the eriostema people here. Eriostema. They're not people, but yeah, you get what I mean, right? And then this one is Hoya coronaria, green white corona. So very fuzzy as well. I got this like this much, and this new growth. It has given me this new stalk here. You know, go in there with the rest. Then we have here, this one's very different. Like out of all the eriostemas, I might be wrong. Correct me again. This is Hoya albiflora. I got this from my Hoya godmother, like on my second cutting swap, Hoya cutting swap. So it's gonna be there. And then this guy, this is from Rick Jarrett, my Hoya Monet, which is not doing well actually. As you can tell, there's some yellowing on the leaves. I'm not sure what's going on. It's not happy. It has that stuff there at the back. Yeah, we shall see if the grow tent will help mend its broken leaves. And this very sad guy, this is my Hoya villosa cowdang. The roots are still good, and as you can see here, the stem is still green. So we shall see if it will live. I'm not throwing it away yet. Not yet. So it's gonna be there. I'm gonna turn on the light and take you guys with me. And there's out. So there's our Hoyas. So you can tell the bottom also help reflect the light. And as you all know by now, I'm using these glass bowls from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, light, clear water, like in a clear bowl with water, it's gonna form some algae. Oh, all this fuzzy. I actually rinsed this, but I guess I need to brush it off. But anyways, so yeah, those are our new residents of the grow tent. I have space for more, so I guess I'll do some cuttings in here since it's gonna be humid. And I feel like I should add some fan for ventilation. So yes, that's our grow tent. I did put this water here just to help with the humidity, because it does go down. And then the highest temperature that I've noticed so far, this is actually the day after from the initial video. So I've noticed that the temperature can go as high as 90 degrees in here. and the humidity does drop down to 50. So maybe I'll put some humidifier just like what I said, and also I might need to get some little clip-on fans to help with the ventilation. And yeah, oh, and our handle is up here. Whichever side I'll put it, follow me there on Instagram at Jillians_plant_corner. Kita-kita tayo doon at dito ulit on my next video. And yes, may you always be blessed.